In a move described as a historic reset of the American pharmaceutical market, President Donald J. Trump officially launched TrumpRx.gov on Thursday evening. The new government-hosted platform aims to bypass traditional middlemen and connect American patients directly with deeply discounted prescription medications, matching the lowest prices found in other developed nations. Flanked by CMS Administrator Dr. Mehmet Oz and Chief Design Officer Joe Gebbia at the White House, the president hailed the initiative as a fulfillment of his most favored nation, MFN's pledge, ensuring Americans no longer pay more for the same drugs than patients in Europe or Canada. How TrumpRx works. Despite its name, TrumpRx is not a government pharmacy. Instead, it serves as a central clearinghouse and navigator. Here is how the platform functions. Direct access. The site directs users to the direct-to-consumer (DTC) portals of pharmaceutical manufacturers who have signed pricing agreements with the administration. Gold embossed coupons. For medications not sold directly online, the site provides downloadable or printable gold embossed coupons that can be redeemed at local retail pharmacies. Cash pay focus. The platform is primarily designed for the uninsured, those with high deductible plans, or patients seeking drugs often excluded from insurance coverage, such as weight loss or fertility treatments. Major price cuts for popular drugs. The site launched with an initial catalog of 43 high-demand medications, with officials promising hundreds more in the coming months. Some of the most dramatic price reductions highlighted during the launch include: "We are tired of subsidizing the rest of the world," President Trump stated during the unveiling. He noted that the discounts were secured through months of intense negotiations, utilizing tools like tariff threats to bring pharmaceutical giants like Pfizer, Eli Lilly, and Novo Nordisk to the table. Impact on healthcare and industry. The launch has sent shockwaves through the healthcare sector. By encouraging patients to pay cash at lower MFN prices, the administration is effectively sidelining pharmacy benefit managers, PBMs, and insurers who typically negotiate private rebates. Dr. Mehmet Oz emphasized the transparency the site brings. You should not be buying drugs anymore without at least checking to see if they are available at these discounted prices on TrumpRx. He specifically pointed to the game-changing access for families struggling with infertility, noting that IVF drugs will now be within reach for many who previously couldn't afford them. Skepticism and challenges. While the price drops are eye-catching, critics and health economists have raised several points of caution. Insurance versus cash. For many Americans with good insurance, their existing copays may still be lower than the TrumpRx cash price. Sustainability. Industry experts question whether pharmaceutical companies will maintain these low prices long-term or if they will raise prices in foreign markets to compensate. Legal hurdles. Trade groups have already hinted at potential legal challenges regarding the most favored nation executive orders that underpin these deals. Conclusion. The launch of TrumpRx.gov marks a significant shift in U.S. healthcare policy, moving toward a more populist, direct market approach to medicine. As the administration enters a pivotal midterm election year, TrumpRx stands as a central pillar of the Great Healthcare Plan, aimed at tackling the cost of living crisis head-on.